Do you understand, Shemilore?
Yes.
For the linear, we don't have to waste our time doing everything, plotting every point. So we just have to pick the first. That's where x equals to -3, where x equals 0, and where x equals +4. So by the time you plot it, you're going to have it on a straight line. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, I think I will have to use another ink for that to avoid confusion. So the ink I'll be using should be a black ink. Sorry, let me use a black ink. Okay, let me use a black ink. Okay, so for now, our x when x equals -3 at this point, our y was -7. So for here, this -2, the first hole is -2, the second hole is -4, the third hole is -6, and in between the third and fourth we have -6. Shemilori, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so that's that. Then we go to the middle where x equals 0. We have y to be equal to +2. So for +2, the first hole will carry +2 here. Where x equals to 0. X equal to 0 on x on y axis. So Shemilori, this is the point. I'm not sure. Do you see it?
I see it.
Okay. Then the last one, where x equals to 4, our y equals to +14. Our y equals to +14 will now be, if here is 10, here is 12, here is 14. It's just on the same point here. Shemilore
Yes.
is on the same point. Do you understand? So
Mm-hmm.
we need to get a straight line and place it and see maybe if it is straight or not. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. So just get a straight line. Now duplicate this line. Okay. So we can see that the 3 points are on the same line.
Yes.
Very straight. Can I give that line another color? Yes, sure. Okay, let me give it a deep green. Then the outline should be reduced to use of the outline. So 14. Shimlere, do you see that?
Yes.
So that's the characteristics of a straight line. So you see that if you go and plot every value of x, each of the value of x will fall on this straight line, on that straight green line. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
So you don't waste time plotting everything. You just pick the first, the median, and the last. So Shomilore, the thing now is we have for this straight line, our equation is y to be equal to 3x plus 2. I feel like I should use a green pen. Should I? Don't worry, let's save our time. Let's save our time. So now, let's go back to our questions. I don't know if you wrote them down back then. So the question one says, use this graph, okay, to solve for. Okay, the major thing we did with our curve was that we got the value of x. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So what are the values of x? We got x to be equal to 0 because the curve cut x at 0, and it also came here to cut x at, this is 1, no, this is 2.5, I mean 2.5, 2.6, and 2.7. The curve cuts x at 2.7 because this is 2, 2.5, yeah, 2.6, 2.7. So it cuts the graph at 2.7. Okay,
Okay.
so this is 2.7, and here is 0. Just to categorize it here as 0. So for here, our x are 0 or 2.7 for the curve that we did. Now, if you look at the questions that they asked us, they said we should look for, use the graph, okay, to solve for each of these following. So the first one they asked us to do is A. For A, I think we are done with this linear stuff. Okay, we are done with the linear stuff. Let's get rid of it. So because of other works we want to do. Okay, Shemlore. Now, Shemlore. Hello. Hello.